Hello nerds, this is Mr. Storm. Today we're going to complete the Google Slides Common Tasks assignment. Once again, there are all of these options here for you to learn as much as you can about Google Slides. The assignment is right down here. We're going to go through 5 different challenges here to make sure that we know how to use Google Slides. So let's get started. So the first one, Slide Basics. Open the example file. Now remember, once this opens, you're going to want to File, make a copy, because we want to have our own modifiable version of this document. So we'll let that load. Next thing I want to do is insert a new slide. So let that load, let that load. Now there are a number of ways to do this. We can right click here in the slide view and just click New Slide. Or we can go File, New, Insert Slide, all that stuff. There are plenty of ways to do it. Let's go to Apply Main Point Slide Layout. So here in the slide view, we can right click and we can go to Apply Layout, and we're looking for Main Point. So we're looking for this guy right here, and it'll change the format of the slide. Insert a, or in the placeholder, type thank you. So here we can type thank you. Okay. Resize the placeholder so it fits the width of the text, then move the placeholder to the center of the slide. So let's go this way, and then we will move it so it's in the center. Use my guidelines there. Move the slide you just created to the end of the slideshow. So now I have my thank you slide. Let's keep moving it down so it's at the very end. So now it is at the end of the slideshow. Perfect. Done and done. Challenge 1 completed. All right, next one, Text Basics. Open a new. And let's go to File, make a copy. Close that one out. Okay. Select slide 14. Come on, open. All right, go down, go down, go down. Slide 14. In the placeholder that says click to add title, enter the text volunteer. So, volunteer. Bold the word volunteer and change the font color to a shade of yellow. So we will bold it and we will change the font color to a nice shade of yellow. Okay. On the right side of the slide, format the words under opportunities as a bulleted list. The list should start with dog walker and end with event coordinator. So under opportunities, we'll select these and make them a bulleted list. Okay. Change the font size of the word opportunities to 24 points. So we'll change that to 24, make it bigger. Add a note to the slide that says insert a link to our website. Okay. So here we want to add a note, right? And so we can do here, down here under speaker notes. Insert a link to our website. And we are done. That is challenge 2. Challenge 3, adding pictures and shapes. Open the document. And we will make a copy. Okay. Let that load. All right, we want to select slide 15 and resize the picture of the robot so it's as tall as the slide. So we'll scroll down. Slide 15, come on, there we go. And resize it so it's as tall as the slide. Now, I want to use the corner picker here because I don't want to stretch it out and make it taller than it, or I don't want to change the aspect ratio. So now it's as tall as the slide. Crop the robot so the robot's hands and everything below them are no longer showing. Okay, so let's go in here and select our crop. And we will crop it out like that. Okay, Move the robot to the lower right part of the slide. So we'll move him over here, lower right part of the slide. To the left of the robot picture, insert a speech bubble shape. Okay, so we can go to Insert, and we can go to Shape, Callouts, and we can do a speech bubble. Okay, and I'm going to move that over there so it looks like it's coming from him. With the shape still selected, drag the yellow diamond, blah, blah, blah. All right, now type the words, "Go forth and be safe." Go forth and be safe. Change the font size of the text to 30 point and the alignment of the text to center align, and then change the fill color. So we will center align, change the font size to 30, change the fill color of the shape to be, let's do a nice light yellow. I'm going to change that so it's coming from his mouth. Okay, go forth and be safe. All right, that is it. We are done. Perfect. Challenge 4, adding transitions and animations. Open the example file. Now I'm going through these kind of quickly. You don't have to go through them as quickly as I am, obviously. I'm doing this just in the interest of time. For you, you're going to want to slow down and kind of pay attention to what you're doing and make sure you really understand this stuff. Okay? All right. So we have Challenge 4 document open. With the first slide selected, add a flip transition, set the speed to medium, and select Apply to all slides. So with the first slide selected, we want to go to animation. No, here we can change transition, and we're going to make it a flip transition. Speed is medium, and we will apply to all slides. All right, and then play so we can see that it, oh, hold on. There we go. Cool. So that's the transition. Select slide 6, and we will go to delete the animation that says fade in on click. So let's go to, oh, slide. Oop. Yeah, I'm not seeing the animation. Oh, there we go. Fade in on click. Let's delete that. Okay. And then select the Nice Work text box and add a spin animation. So add an animation, make it a spin animation. And select the animation to happen after previous at minimum speed. So we will do after previous at medium speed, and then select next week space the final exam text box, and add the animation fly in from left and set it to happen after previous. Fly in from left, right? Yeah, fly in from left and after previous. Okay. Good, good, good. Now whenever we present our slideshow, we can see that we have these animations. Let's go to the final slide here. Nice work. And then fly in from the left. Easy. Perfect. All right. Now challenge number 5. Let's get into it. Okay. And again, we will choose File, make a copy. All right. open the master template editor and make sure to select the master slide at the top. Okay, let's let that load. Okay, let's go to Edit Master. Alrighty. And make sure to select the master slide at the top. Alright, master slide. Change the background to teal from the theme colors. So background, choose it to teal, which I don't know what that is. I'm assuming it's a light blue. Sure. Change the master title font to Times New Roman and change the font color to white. So we will do master, okay, master font color to Times New Roman and the font color to white. There we go. And we'll do the same thing here. Times New Roman and the font color to white. I'm actually going to change the background here so it's a little bit darker. A darker blue. It's easier to see. There we go. Alrighty, change the font color of the rest of the text to black. Aww. So I did an extra step I didn't need to, but that's fine. Let's go in here. And we will change that to black. Come on. And that should be actually it, because, yeah, that should be fine. Just the first level, second level. I don't have any other levels, but we'll just change those two, and that should be fine. Select the first layout slide, the title slide in your master editor. Title slide. And then change the alignment of the master title and the master subtitle to right align. Drag the title and subtitle so they're near the bottom of the slide. So let's change that to right align, change that to right align, and then we will drag these so that they're toward the bottom. Okay. Add a short horizontal line below the subtitle. Change the line color to yellow and the line weight to 4. Short horizontal line below the subtitle. We could just line. We'll change it to yellow, and we will change the weight to 4. Okay. And that is it. So now we are done. Now we can go in and we can see. So now it's all changed by applying changes to our master slide. All right, so that is it. When you're done with all 5 of those challenges, turn those in and then you will be finished. Thank you very much. Thanks for paying attention, and goodbye.